Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm genuinely excited to walk you through how to build a complete website using the power of Webflow's new AI site builder. Whether you're a beginner, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to get online fast, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to leverage AI to create a custom website in minutes, and you'll see just how smart and flexible Webflow's tools have become. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Webflow and start a new site. You'll notice a cool new option called the AI Site Builder. Go ahead and select that. This is where the magic happens. Instead of picking a static template, you're giving AI the reins to understand your needs and actually design something just for you. Once you're in, you'll see there are three main steps you need to complete. The first step is all about defining who you're building this website for. This might sound simple, but it's a really important part of the process. You'll have two main choices. You can say you're building this for a business or for a personal project. The reason Webflow's AI asks this is that it'll tailor everything from the layout to the content suggestions based on your selection. For example, a business site might need calls to action and service sections, while a personal project could focus more on portfolios or blogs. After you choose, you'll be prompted with some specific questions like what's the name of your business, and space to add a few details about it. Don't rush through this part. The more information you give, the more accurate and relevant the AI's suggestions will be. Don't worry if you're not sure what to write, even a short description can make a big difference. And if you're feeling stuck, just imagine you're explaining your idea to a friend. Once you've filled that out, hit Next. Now the AI shifts its attention to your brand style. Here, where things get really interesting. You can either try an AI-suggested brand style, which is great if you're open to new ideas, or you can pick from popular styles like professional, natural, minimal, futuristic, elegant, playful, and honestly, there are plenty more to fit almost any vibe you want for your site. For instance, if you're building a tech startup site, futuristic could be a great match, while a local garden blog might feel right at home with natural. Don't forget you can specify whether you want a light or dark mode, and you get to pick your theme color too. Think about the mood you want visitors to feel when they land on your site. These choices go a long way. Once you're happy with your selections, click Next. Now comes the fun part. Watch as Webflow's AI generates your site in just a few moments. And don't worry if what you see at first isn't exactly perfect. This is just the starting point. Once the initial design is ready, you have full control to customize everything. Change the theme, adjust colors, swap out typography, and easily add your own images. It's really worth taking a little time to play around and see what feels right. Think of it like trying on outfits for your brand until you find the one that fits best. There's no pressure. Experiment, tweak, and let your creativity run wild. And that's all there is to it. You've just built yourself a website with AI in a fraction of the time it would normally take. I hope this helped you see how approachable and flexible Webflow's AI site builder can be. If you got value out of this walkthrough, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of website you want to build next or any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.